2024 Grand Ritual Showdown Champion is...
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's grand champion for the Roskillos Festival goes to contingent number 4.
This year's Grand Champion is contingent Panay Manasigong Taglopihanon gikan sa San Roque o Barangay Tagla. Congratulations sa ilang barangay captains na si Honorable Nila Herada, Honorable Maria Rosimisa Pilar, SK Chairpersons, Honorable Aaron Gabriel Gungong, Honorable Rico Gahe, Choreographer Mark Aurelian Cabag